Hello everyone, myself Mani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the plasminogen fibrinolytic system. Plasminogen activator, then plasminogen. These are the structures of plasmine, and also there are the alpha-2 antiplasmin, fibrin to fibrin, and there are the kinase lysine binding sites. The TPA, that is produced by recombinant DNA technology used in myocardial infarction and stroke. Inhibitors. Next is the inhibitors of coagulation system. There are the pre-kallikrein is converted into the kallikrein HMWK surfaces. There are conversion of the factor 12 to 12A and 11 to 11A in the presence of the kallikrein, and also there are the factor 9 is converted into the 9A, that is the inhibitor systems. Antithrombin third, and also protein C is inhibitors, and in the presence of the 10A converted into the 10, and also there are prothrombin second factor converted into second A thrombin. Prothrombin is converted into thrombin, and there are thrombin convert the fibrinogen to fibrin. So this is the graph for the coagulation, clot and fibrinolysis between the three components. First, the coagulation start from fibrinogen, that is converted into the fibrin polymer, and next is converted in the fibrin fragments. So there are the steps that is convert fibrinogen to fibrin polymer in presence of thrombin, and thrombin also activate the plasmin. These convert the fibrin polymer to fibrin fragments. There are the tests for defect in blood clotting. The screening for adequacy of hemostatic plug formation, platelet count, bleeding time for the condition other than the thrombocytopenia that can impair the formation of hemostatic plug. Next is the test for defect in blood clotting. Screening for adequacy of blood coagulation. There are checking the prothrombin time, measures the adequacy of the reaction that clot plasma when a very high concentration of tissue factors is present. Test the adequacy of extrinsic system. Activated partial thromboplastin time measures the adequacy of clotting reaction that clot plasma when reagent optimizing the contact activation reaction and providing the procoagulation phospholipid is present. Test adequacy of intrinsic system. There are activated partial thromboplastin time. So in today's class, I discussed about the plasminogen from the fibrinolytic system, inhibitors of coagulation system, and also the test for defect in blood clotting. Thank you for watching.